In this first section, we will cover the introduction and some basic information about Apex. In this section, we will discuss about what is Apex, when should we use Apex, and how does Apex work. So what is Apex? Apex is a strongly typed object-oriented programming language that allow developer to execute flow and transaction control statement on Salesforce server in conjunction with call to the API. Apex enable developer to add business logic to most system events, including click button, related record update, and visual force pages. Apex can be initiated by web service request and from trigger on objects. We will discuss when should we use Apex. We have some scenarios when we should consider using Apex. The first is Salesforce development. Apex is a native programming language for Salesforce, and it allows us to customize and extend the functionality of Salesforce application. You can use Apex to create custom object, triggers, classes, and web services within Salesforce. The next scenario in which we can use Apex is business logic. So you can use Apex to automate business process, ensure data validation rules, and handle data manipulation within Salesforce. We can use Apex to integration. We can write Apex code to interact with external API, perform data, and synchronize between Salesforce and other applications. We can use Apex for custom user interface also. Apex allows us to write efficient and optimized code that can handle large data volume and complex processing requirement. If you need to perform bulk data operation or implement complex algorithm, Apex can help you achieve better performance compared to declarative options. Apex provide data manipulation capabilities including querying and data update in Salesforce database. You can use Apex to retrieve, manipulate, and analyze data stored in Salesforce object. If you have long-running or computationally intensive tasks that cannot be performed, it's worth noting that while Apex is a powerful tool for Salesforce development, it has its limitations for general purpose